Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Cozzies electric heated blanket, which sounds lovely, doesn't it? It claims to be an ultra-soft, full-body miracle that keeps you warm from head to toe. But before you get too comfortable, we need to talk about whether this is a legitimate product or just a cozy way to lose your money. First of all, their product images look like they were borrowed from the deepest corners of the internet. Real brands usually hire a photographer, but apparently, these guys prefer the right-click, save as method of marketing. When a company can't even be bothered to take a picture of their own inventory, it definitely raises a few eyebrows. Then there's the pricing strategy, which is suspicious to say the least. They're offering a massive 50% discount and a buy more, get one free deal, because nothing says premium quality like a clearance sale that never ends. If a deal looks too good to be true, it usually is, unless you consider getting scammed a gift with purchase. They've also loaded the site with big claims like smart heat control and memory controllers, but without any verified proof. These features exist mostly in the imagination of their copywriting department. The marketing is also drowning in buzzwords, calling it your ultimate cozy companion for the season. It's a lot of fluff, and I'm not talking about the Sherpa lining. They're clearly using fancy wording to distract you from the fact that the actual quality is a total mystery. To make matters worse, they claim to have over 2,000 reviews, yet when we check independent platforms like Trustpilot, there is absolutely nothing. It's a ghost town. Apparently, those 2,000 happy customers are all living in a parallel universe where this company actually ships products. So, is the cozy electric heated blanket legit? With stolen images, impossible discounts, and zero verified feedback, the signs aren't exactly promising. You'd probably have better luck keeping warm by burning your cash for heat. It's much safer to think twice and stick to brands that actually exist in the real world. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more reality checks and stay safe while shopping.